Honorable Mambulala yo MP nguye othithe angide la batali benu beva buhlungu kuthi senicetha grade 7 you travel long distances for grade 8 seniyakubosibiki niyakhashana so I'm here tonda i-decision yokwakhiwe i-high school la ngehla la.
Let's clap hands. Thank you so much.
So ngitenge ma-officials sitobona ukuthi vele lesikole singakhiwa litiko-ke selivumile lengwenyama ukuthi liyakuphasisa ukuthi i-high school yakhiwe la so lathi nanicedza la lingabohamba sigambe esithe ukhanza ukuthi labanye sebabarentela koSpeak bese kuba netinkinga eSpeak so ngiyanicela nje ukuthi sitawutama laba kumalowa grades sifuna ukuthi i-high school bafunzeka and you have to be focused, study hard. From you there will be doctors, pilots, and engineers. You must study hard, don't be distracted. Ngiyanithanda ke nonke, that's why I'm here. Kudla kweni kukhona kwefika? Yes. Midla ina seningitshelele. Oh, i-rice kude? Kune-rice nani? Ngifuna ngethe ini kulokudla. Bebathi into bafuna peanut butter, bobani abafuna peanut butter.
Okay, quiet learners.
Ngihamba ke lana kumphathi uyeva. Utafuna kube khona kumnandi lesingetako. Niyabona? Yes. Sifake noma peanut butter noma i-minced meat kutoba mnandi kakhulu. Niyangithembisa sihlangengeta nokonda kwakhe. Ngitawutama ukuthi kudla kufike ngesikhathi kungapheli and phela improve le nutrition kube mnandi kakhulu. Nani ngithembisa sense ndawo phasi. Yes. Naba bahlonishwa ngibo labakhulumako. Labakhuluma bakhulume ukuthi minister thenga kuba kuminister kuba kumhlonishwa wasenkaba nemhlonishwa amabulala. Mbobatshela ngikhathi bebakhona abahlonishwa bathi bamtshelile minister ukuthi athenge kudla akhe ne high school.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nyanivusela banga bami. How are you today? I'm fine too.